driving to the field. I've got Boy Wonder on camera duties as I'm driving, so if it's a little bit shaky, it's his fault clearly. But from StirlingKit.com, they've also sent us this. Now just give me a second to stop at this junction and I'll turn it around and show you. There you go. So it's a solar powered car diffuser. You pop a little bit of it's like a perfume chalk in there, and then the solar power from any sort of light source whatsoever from the top of it gets the motor spinning, and then out of the side here, look, comes lovely voluptuous smelling fresh air for your car. It's a really cool little thing, and I'll leave a link in the description down below, but I just wanted to show that off. It's a very cool little thing that Stirling Kit sent me. And yeah, right, anyway, welcome back to Squatting Quads, and we are here today at a nice quiet nature reserve, and we've got a tiny little model to show off to you. Bear with me while I get my able assistant Boy Wonder FPV to bring it over. And this is our tiny little model. Not so tiny, is it? This is the Flywing BO-105 scale helicopter, as sent to us by StirlingKit.com. They didn't ask us for a review, they just said, do we want it? And yes, why not? Because it's absolutely stunning. Now, I did initially fly this 6 months ago, but there was a problem with it. It crashed, and I've got no idea why. Stirling Kit sent some new parts for it, so we fitted the new parts, and we finally got time, and we brought it back out today to fly it. So, is it going to take off? Is it going to crash into a million pieces? Am I going to die? Will Boy Wonder get decapitated? And is it worth buying? We're going to answer all those questions and probably some more in the next 20 or 30 so minutes here on the channel. Grab yourself a snack, grab yourself a nice ice cold drink, and let's freaking go. Now, I would toss this in the air, but it's quite big, isn't it? So let's, whoa! I had pure cinema planned for that. So it's been 6 months since we've seen this helicopter back out in the wilds after the crash we had on the initial maiden flight. We're just waiting for the GPS to go green. We've even got a DJI action camera in it, and we are going to do a proper review of it at long last. As long as it doesn't decide to crash itself again. So this is the controller that you get with the Flywing BO-105. You've got stop, run, you've got GPS, you've got 3D fly, and you've got normal. You've got GPS home, normal and inverted mode. So it's nice and simple, but also it offers lots of features as well. So that is the controller for the GPS to lock.
It just goes to green, then back to yellow.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. We've gone to green. So let's just hold it now. If it doesn't lock again, if it loses lock, then one second. Then I suspect the reason for the crash when we initially tried it a few months ago could have been down to the GPS losing its lock. But we'll see. Let's just see how it goes. Right, but I wonder what colour is the status indicator finally on?
Green.
Come back to me. So GPS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Try to arm it.
There we go.
Oh!
Keep filming. It's going to jump into the air.
Here we go! Yes! Yo!
Okay.
It works, finally.
So it's been a while since we've flown this.
And it looks like you were right to arm it as well.
But this, let me just show the boys and girls, is just like a DJI.
Yeah.
I don't have any control over it, but I want to show them. And
It's
just
kind
like
of
It's got a
drifting.
little bit of drift, but it's quite windy,
Yeah.
so...
Yeah, that's why. If you go high up, it's going to look like an actual helicopter. Look, it looks like the blades aren't moving. It's so cool. Use a shutter rate is matching the speed of the propeller. But fly by. It's just like a drone, but very fast and like DJI.
Let go of the sticks and it'll just sit there. You've got all sorts of autonomous modes. It'll do a circle on its own, it'll do a figure of 8 on its own. How cool does that look? That looks stunning, doesn't it? But they'll go across there nice and slow for you. I'm going to go over here because there's a car coming.
Okay.
How scale does that look?
Oh.
Okay. Guys, this helicopter is stunning. This is probably one of the most stunning models I've got. And it's got Red Bull on the side of it. And as everybody who knows me knows, I've got an ambition of filming for Red Bull with drones one day. And maybe even taking it a bit more seriously and getting a pilot's license. I was going to say a pirate's license. But there she is, guys.
Scaring me getting so close.
Absolutely stunning.
Oh, that wind is insane.
Genuinely stunning. So keep focusing on that bush, and what I'll do is I'll drop down.
Dog's
Ready?
getting angry.
Ready? And then I'll come up over it. You ready?
Yep. Oh, that looks so funny.
It's
Give him
so
a bit
scary,
fast
isn't
though,
it?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I've been flying for 4 minutes, but I am going to come back and land it because it is getting busy here. But I think I've done enough now to put my mind at rest, and I'm going to fly this a hell of a lot more.
Yeah. Don't land it in the
Landing,
road.
boy, wasn't it?
Oh, that was hard.
That was quite a hard landing, but it survived it, and that's all that
Yeah.
matters. Well then, that was the BO-105 Flywing helicopter, and we can finally tell you what we actually think of this helicopter. Because initially we did have a bit of a problem with it crashing. Hey ho, these things happen. We got sent some replacement parts from stirlingkit.com, and now we've taken it out and we've flown it. And as you've seen from the footage, there's been absolutely no problems with it whatsoever. Would I recommend this? Well, it's a luxury purchase, so if you've got a little bit of cash burning a hole in your pocket and you want something that looks so gorgeous, stunning and scale, I don't think there's anything that looks nicer. I really, really don't. So if you're in that position and you're looking for something that's as easy to fly as a DJI Mavic, this is probably the one I'd recommend. There is a bright yellow version of this as well, which also looks pretty stunning, but this has got Red Bull on it, and at the end of the day, as you all know, I've got ambitions to fly for Red Bull, so I'll take it. I'm happy with it. We finally got there. Got any questions? Leave them in the comment section down below. Peace out.